Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move to the details of this video. Friends, I am here with you along with a very stylish and very beautiful, again, decent and different color combination based hand embroidered face mask design ideas. Friends, I bet that my today's collection would be very amazing and extremely mesmerizing for you. And you will enjoy a lot while watching this collection, and you would opt for every design, and that you would desire that every design could be of your face mask. So you can make these masks in a very low and affordable price. Now let's move one by one to the further detailing that how beautifully these masks have been designed. Friends, it is up to you that which type of color combination you want to choose, because this collection is entirely a mixture of light and dark color, fabric based and embroidery color based mask collection. So when we talk about the thread used to make these embroidery patterns, then you must use anchor, GMC or wool. And when we talk about the fabric used to make these masks, the fabric should be soft, like you can use soft cotton, linen or some other sort of blended stuff for making these embroidery patterns. And the inner layers should be of white cotton filter pocket, and the seam onto which you have done embroidery fabric. So kindly, it's a request to you that please develop a habit of wearing mask while going out. It would be safe for your health and for the ones who are around you, because saving human lives and safety should be our first priority, and health is important than anything else in the world. And fashion is also one of the remarkable benchmark when we talk about our concerns. So by wearing these very beautifully handcrafted, handmade, hand embroidered masks, you would feel confident, stylish and classy. So these masks are a safeguard to your health and a protector of your classic fashion sense. Very beautifully made by using lazy daisy stitch, satin stitch, French knot, bullion knots, and even you can use machine embroidery for these patterns as well, because with machine embroidery they would look extremely amazing, as this bird embroidered white color face mask is entirely made by using machine embroidery. And similarly, this aqua blue is also made using machine embroidery. I hope you like my today's video, and if you like my video, then don't forget to like and share my videos massively with your friends and family, and keep supporting us, keep watching my content, keep loving my content like this as you always have been. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.